everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video, we are going to create a functional login system in Python using Tkinter. We have already completed half of this in the last video. If you did not watch that video, please go and check the video. I will provide the link in the description. So, whenever I try to log in, whenever I try to register, and without filling any of the input, it says fill all the inputs. So in this video we are going to do this. So without any further delay, let's have fun with code. First, let's create a function called register f. What this function will do is it will check for the inputs. If any of the input is empty, it will change the text of the top label which says register yourself. So let's first type an if statement, if, and this should check all the three inputs, which is username, password and mobile number. So let's first take dot get if it is equal to nothing, and also check for username and this should also check for mobile number. Now if all the three inputs are empty, this should change the text of the label which says register yourself, and we should change the text of it to fill all the inputs. So let's do that. Let's say top label dot configure text is equal to fill all the inputs. Let's see if this works. Also, let's give the command to the register button. Let's save the program and run the program. So I won't type anything in any of the input and click on register, and it says fill all the inputs. Also, you notice that here that background color also changed to red. So let's do that. Now we could do this. Let's say style.configure t-label background is equal to red. But if we do this, all the backgrounds of all labels will change to red. We don't want that. So let's do this in another way. Let's copy this statement and paste it here and change this to main.tlabel or whatever you like. Now let's come to top label and let's say style is equal to main.tlabel, and now let's come to our function and let's say style.configure main.tlabel, and now the background should change to red. Let's type in red, and the foreground should be white. Now let's save this program and run this. Now we have a register button, and let's try to register without entering anything in any box. Yes, it changed to red and all other labels are the same. So let's move this a little bit up and change the font style of this label. Now let's change the Y to 150, and let's go to style and let's change the font. Now let's say font is equal to brackets and the font you want. I like this font, and let's change the font size to 20 and let's see if it works. Yes, now the label is little bit up and the font size is also increased. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.